Guys, welcome to this video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check admission status on JAMB CAPS. So before we proceed, I'll sure if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for arts and collaborations at the description of this video. So guys, let's proceed. So now you need to head over to your browser. Sorry guys, I will leave a link which in the description of this video which you need to click. Okay, I'll bring you to this site over here. Okay, efacility.jamb.gov.ng. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Just tap on it, you'll be brought to this page now. So now if you're a new user, just head over and create an account. But if you're an existing user, just log into your account. Okay, so after logging into your account now, you will see on this bottom section this good button over close to payment. Okay, on the bottom just tap on check admission status. So after tapping on this, now you need to input your registration number, then tap on access my caps. Okay, so I have a registration number. Okay, so as you can see now, after you have done that, mine won't work, no registration number. Okay, so let me show you a screenshot. After tapping on access my caps or whatsoever, as I told you earlier, you'll be brought to this page. Let me just show you the page you'll be brought to. So now you'll be brought to this page. So let me just zoom in. So after you'll be brought to this page, you will see this section which says admission status. Okay, on the left hand side of your screen, below my O level and above marketplace. Tap on it. Now you will see your admission status. Okay, if you have been granted admission or not. Okay, so if you have been granted admission, you will see this accept admission and reject admission button to be active. But if you have not been given admission, it will not be clickable. But if you are given admission, it will be clickable. Okay, so guys, that's how to check admission status on JAMB CAPS. So before I conclude, I'll share once again, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for arts and collaborations by the description of this video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.